Hey guys, Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video we're gonna discuss the white sound of no copyright sounds, the mid-tempo music. So recently I heard a track, Humanity, on no copyright sounds. And I thought like, let's make a track in that style. So as you can hear, it's a mid-tempo drop.
It's all about humanity.
So we're gonna discuss that style today. So mid-tempo music contains a really dark vocal, really dirty bass sounds in the drop, and a really dark breakdown as well. So let's start working on the drop by starting with the vocal. So I found this high vocal pack as Splice. So let's check out a few vocals.
Upgrade the bands from a Honda. Trap ting hotter than a sauna.
Let's use this one.
In my Prada. Yo, I'm a motherfucking monster.
Now drag it in FL Studio and change the pitch.
Upgrade the bands from a Honda. Trap ting hotter than a sauna. Tracksuit gang in my Prada.
Yo, I'm a motherfucking monster. Upgrade the bands from a Honda. Trap ting hotter than a sauna. Tracksuit gang in my Prada.
Now we're gonna add a REZZ bass and do some songwriting. Just a simple chord progression.
Upgrade the bands from a Honda. Trap ting hotter than a sauna. Tracksuit gang in my Prada. Yo, upgrade the bands from a Honda. Trap ting hotter than a sauna. Tracksuit gang in my Prada. Yo, I'm a motherfucking monster.
So now let's download some focus shots to fill up the track some more. Together sounding like this. And add some other sounds to fill it up some more, like its final sound. Crowd ambience. And another ambient sound. Together sounding like this. So now let's work on the build up. Sustain the last note of a REZZ bass. Chop up the vocal. And a build loop. All together sounding like this. So now add a pitch automation on the vocal. Add it in the smell to make the drop hit harder. Some more cymbals, risers, effects, all that stuff to create tension. Together sounding like this. So now let's start working on the drums. First we have the kick and clap. And then the hi-hats. So let's add a kick, clap, snare and the open hi-hat. Add a closed hi-hat and a snare to add more groove. Altogether the drums sounds like this. So now we'll be working on the bass sound. We'll be using this preset. Copy and paste the REZZ bass pattern and add a rhythm to it. Just a simple rhythm and a sidechain to it. I also dropped it an octave together sounding like this. So now let's add the lead sound. We'll be making a melody following the notes of the REZZ bass. Add a sidechain. And another lead sound. Just some simple steps. Now we're gonna add an arcade sound just to fill it up some more. Sounding like this. We're also gonna add the focus shots from the intro. And the ambient sounds as well. We're gonna add a vocal to the second part of the drop.
Upgrade the bands from a Honda.
And that's it for the video. So, final result will sound like this. If you like the video, please leave a like. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
Upgrade the bands from a Honda. Trap tank hotter than a sauna. Tracksuit gang in my Prada. Yo, I'm a motherfucking monster.